Hello guys, I'm back again. I suck at this. Some people have asked to see my cat, so this is the fatty. Oh, Poppy! Yes. Okay, so I clearly suck at this. Why is this importing computer audio? I hate this thing. Oh, Poppy! I know you hate being picked up, but this is my cat. She's a little Russian blue. Yes, you are! Okay, go run away. I'll run away into my room. So I'm supposed to dress up as a ballroom dancer. I'm gonna suck at this. I suck at this more than I suck at life. Like, what the actual fuck? MSP, you need to update your selections. Like, what? What's this? What? Oh my god, is this like Beyonce? Oh my god, it's Beyonce. Oh my god, it's Beyonce. Poppy, it's Beyonce. Oh my god. It's Beyonce. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Come on. What the actual fuck? Like, do you not? Why? Why have you done this to me, MSP? I haven't. Okay, I admit to stealing my sister's candy, but I haven't done that in like maybe 7 weeks or days. Oh my god! Giant? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. MSP really needs to get better. Things. Ooh, oh. What the fuck? Excuse me, but what the fuck is that? Sir, I'm going to die. Oh my god. Why would you do that? Oh, he just what? He just slid the fuck over, like, the actual fuck. We have to dress like heavy metal? What? Okay, if you're gonna take that as really gross, then, well, that's your problem. What the fuck is this shit? I tried. Mephistophelius is from Blue Exorcist. I don't care if I'm saying it wrong. Yeah, I'm on high because I really hate people. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm really just gonna be honest. Paris? How do I just like Paris if I don't even have the right shit? Yeah, what the fuck is this shit? Alright, looks like I'm just going to do that. That looks really gross, but I don't know. Oh, that actually... It's not that bad, I guess. I tried. I don't need any more lag, thank you very much. How the fuck do I dress as a skeleton if I don't even have fucking skeleton things? Okay, I'm done with this shit. Nope. Oh, that actually looked pretty good. Like, what the actual fuck? If you're not gonna be nice to me, then why am I here? And yes, someone traded me that, so it's the only reason why I have this shit. But what the fuck? What the fuck? Like, if you're not gonna treat me well, then why are you my friend? Yeah, some of these outfits, like, I'm gonna, like, sell. Oh, and yes, I got a drip top yesterday, so that's why I have, like, no star coins. Yeah, okay. I really hate this shit. Oh my god. MSB, hurry the fuck up! I got a good idea. Oh, okay. You can go. Okay. Yeah, I'm in my kitchen right now because apparently my room is being occupied by my superstitious grandfather who clearly has no life. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's slay their lives. Their pathetic lives. Oh, you cleaned yourself. Okay. So, like, what the fuck? What? Okay, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear, but I want you. Do you like know Ajar? Like, I love this song so much. That's like the best song ever. Oh my god, you're ugly. Why? Why are you doing this to me, God? Why are you doing this to me? Okay, no, seriously. Okay, let's react to art books, because people, oh my god. Ooh. Okay, so Rare Bay has it. Let's message her. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.